Hello friends, hello students. Yeah, students are nothing but a friends, right? I hope you are all fine. Again, I would like to welcome you on this e-learning class. Almost we completed chapter first, large numbers. So today we will discuss on which type of questions they may ask on this large numbers this chapter. We will see one by one. See, write the numerals for each of the following number names. Means, see here, 72 lakh 37,479. Written in words, we will have to write in number names means we will have to write in figures. So how to write? I hope you learn the place value charts, right? If you not learn the place value chart, then this is not easy task for you. You cannot solve easily. If you learn the chart, then it's very easy to solve this. Let's see how to solve. Initially, how to solve? See, 72 lakh 37,479. Lakh means it is in Indian place value system. Lakhs, crore. So this belongs to Indian place value system. So what we have to do? First thing, roughly you can write the place values. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000, 10,000. Then lakh, 10 lakh. Likewise, how to write? First, write down roughly. Then read again. 72. 72 is in which period? Lakhs. So where is lakhs period? This is lakhs period. So write 72, comma, put comma. 72 is in lakhs, so 72 lakh. Then 37 is in which period? Thousands period. So 37, right? This is the thousands period. 1000 and 10,000, two places are there. So 37 is in thousands period. So we wrote, and last is ones place. 4 is in 100 place. So 100 place is this. Put comma 479. 79. We know that lakh 22 lakh, sorry, 72 lakh means it's a two-digit number. Now count. Again check one time. 70. We know that lakh is 6-digit number and 10 lakh place is 7-digit number. Check the digits are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Understand? 72 is in lakhs period, so we wrote 72 is in lakhs period. 37 is in thousands period, so we wrote 37 is in thousands period. 4 is in 100 place, so we wrote 4 is in 100 place and 79. Understand? Likewise, see the next one. Again, first identify whether the given number is from Indian place value system or international place value system. Which word shows us this lakh, this million? Million means million is in international place value system. So this number is belonging to international place. We know that in international place value system, after every 3 digits, commas are there. Means each and every period having 3 places. So we will write first place value. million. So ones place, ones period having three places: ones, tens, hundred, then thousands. Thousands period having again three: thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then million period, millions period having again three places: million, 10 million, and 100 million. Now see, 23 is in which period? Millions period. So write 23. ये millions period having three places. So 23 is a two-digit number. So write 23 million 36,000. 36 is in which period? 1000. But 1000 having three places. This 1000 period having three places. So 36 is a two-digit number. So write 36 here. 36,506. 5 is in 100 place and 6 means ones place. Now tell me which places are missing. First is next place missing 20. 100,000 place is missing 20. After every three digit put count. So 23 million 36,506. Generally what I observe so many times, generally what students are writing if they don't know the place value or they not practice yet, how they are writing? See, they are making a mistake. 23 million 36,506. Is it right? We know that million. 10 million is an 8-digit number. Is it 8 digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6-digit number. This is 233,656. Is it? No, means this is wrong. So while writing, you should know the place value. Understand? Now, next question. Write the number names of the following numerals. Following numerals are given the opposite to this. You have to convert into now number name means words. Very simple. First G. You have to observe keenly. First 3-digit comma, then 2-digit comma means this number belongs to Indian place value system. So you know the Indian place value system. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Ones period this is. Then 1000 period having 2 digits. 1000 and 10,000. Then lakhs period having 2 places. Lakh, 10 lakh. Now 72 is in which period? Lakhs. So 72 lakhs. So write 72 lakh, comma 38 is in which period? 38 is in 1000 period. So 38,000 38,000 comma 6 is in hundreds of place, so 618. 618. Got it? Now see the next one. First 3-digit comma, then 3-digit comma. It means this number is belonging to international place value system. And you know the international place value system? Ones place, tens place, 100 place means first period. That is ones period is column common. Second is 1000. 1000 period having again 3 digits. So 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then millions period is there. Millions having again 3, but here only 2 digits are there, 2 places, million and 10 million. Understand? So how to write? 20 is in which period? Millions. So 20 million. 20 million put comma. 600 is in which period? 1000 period. 600,000. 600,000 comma 612. 600. Understand? 20 million. 600 is in 1000 period, so 600,000. 612. Understand? Now the next question. Put commas to separate following numerals into periods. Now here I will not mention periods. It may be international period and or Indian periods. So we'll see simultaneously how to put commas in Indian place value and international. As I told you, in Indian place value, first period I will contain 3 digits, then remaining periods I will contain 2 digits. 2 places or digits. In international, after every 3 digits means each and every period contain 3 places. Now see, we'll write here Indian place value, and here we will write it international. International place value. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. We know that 7 digits mean lakhs, 10 lakhs, space. So first 3, then 2 means right one's place change 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh means 42 lakh 2 comma 95,000 31. Simple. Understand? Only it's very easy. In Indian place value means first after 3 digit from right to left, after 3 digit put comma, then 2 digit comma, likewise. Now in international place value, write the number first 4295031. First 3 digit comma, then next 3 digit comma. Okay. 4,295,031. Now next, first 3 2 73 comma 50 comma 071. Write the number first 735071. 3 digit comma, then next 3 digit comma. Over. Now here 332 21 comma 49 0. Sorry. First write the number 21 49 06 38. First 3 digit comma, then 2 digit comma, then 2 digit comma. 2 crore 14 lakh 90,638. Now write the number first 2 1 4 9 0 6 3 8. First 3 digit comma, then 3 digit. In international place value, after every 3 digit comma. Now here, first write the number 48005067 First write the number 48005067 Is it? 48005067 So here first 3 digit comma, then 2 after 2 50,671. Here, first 3 digit, next 3, 480,050,671. Understand? By this way, you can solve such a problems. Understand? Once again, may be asked, write the place value of next question. Write the place value or face value of the following digits or from the following underlying digit. Question may ask like this. Suppose for example 739Y20. Suppose this one. So the underlying word will be suppose 5. So you have to write the place value. Which is the place value of 5? 5 is in 1 space 100 place. So what is the place value of 5? 5 multiplied by 100 is equal to 500. How we are writing? 5 multiplied by 5 is in which place? 100 place. So 100 is equal to 500. So what is the place value of 5 here? 500. Understand? Or you can write 5 in words also you can write 5. Understand? What is the face value? In last video I told you face value doesn't change, does not change. So 5, whether you can put 5 within 100 plus or 1's place or 1000 place or lakhs place or crores place or millions place, the value does not change in face value. Understand? So what is the face value of 5? 5. Understand? So you have to practice more and more at home. Okay? Thank you.